It's a 2016 Chevrolet Equinox. No crossover comes close to the style, storage, and safety of this Equinox. The redesign for 2016 means a bigger grille with stylish headlights and sophisticated taillights. Inside, the Equinox tradition of a roomy cabin continues, with plenty of leg and headroom for first and second row passengers and even more storage space. And of course, safety. You get electronic stability control, traction control, and eyes in spots where you can't see with a standard rear vision camera.
Chevrolet's MyLink system allows you to control your music, hands-free calling, and so much more with just the sound of your voice. See objects previously out of sight with the rear view camera. The heated seats keep you comfortable no matter how cold it is.
This Equinox is roomy enough to handle your busy life with plenty of style to impress. Make this one yours today.
For the past 20 years, Williams has delivered the best service, the best experience, and the best selection in northern Michigan. We're conveniently located at 2600 North US Highway 31 South in Traverse City, Michigan.